1969 Ford 600. So getting this thing put back together so it can hit the road again. And I did get that light to work. This one's wired in, the new one there on the side marker, but none of the side markers are working. I'm charging my battery so I can diagnose the problem. But I did get that working. Like I said, this one ain't working over here either, so in fact, none of the side marker lights worked. I did get a tail light to work and one headlight. I thought I had both headlights before, but we'll get that going. That's what we're gonna do anyway, but probably not gonna drive in the dark, but I do want tail lights, you know, for brakes. I got that one apart. I had the other one coming on. I was gonna check it with the test light and all that, but I don't think I had enough battery voltage because then this one didn't come on either, but we'll figure it out eventually. Probably finish the box. So looking pretty good now. We're just gonna get ready to hit the trail again and come back in here and we can do some more paint and detail, clean up. Haven't gotten to the interior yet, but I did do the inside of the doors. At least this side, one over here, because I took it apart. New mirror looks great. I can see through it from the driver's seat. That's gonna be a nice feature. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, we're almost there. Get the lights going, check the fluids, you know, close the hood. I love those windshield wipers. But we're just gonna go a short distance on a nice day during the day. The terminal where we're going to is that far, I don't believe, but we got to get the grain cleaned, and somebody in Lambert thought they might be able to do that for us. Anyway, so this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.